with ashy ass hands? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm out here with some ashy hands. Oh no, no, no. It was something in the air. It was something in the air. Alright y'all, this is my first Boxy Charm unboxing. Okay, this is August Boxy Charm. About to unbox this for y'all. Okay, let's see what I got. I don't know what I got this month. I didn't see the email. They'll email you and tell you like about 4 things you got, and then one that way it's a mystery. I don't know. So I have no idea. I didn't get that email, so I don't know what's in here for me. This month. Okay. So y'all can find out with me. Here we go. Totally Boxy Charm. This is cute. So this says what we got. Alright. So let's see what we got and then we'll read it together. So, what's this? This is a Wonder Glow Head Illuminating Face Oil. Oh, that's interesting. So we have a face oil. And let's see what it says on here. It says Wonder Glow Head Illuminating Oil. This multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion, no matter what skin type you have. Okay, because that's good because I got dry skin, y'all. I got dry skin. Okay, it's dry than a mud. Alright, the lightweight powerful. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it 1 drop at a time. Huh. Well, let's see. Let's open it. I'm gonna smell it, y'all. Okay, so it looks like a... Use that. I did my sister's makeup earlier. There's a video out about that, or soon it will be. Oh, it's pink. Let's smell it. I don't know how it smells. It doesn't really have too much of a powerful smell to it. It just smells like, you know, I don't know. I think I might like this better than the oil I got last month of Boxy Charm. We'll find out in due time. I'll let y'all know what I think. Okay, once I use it on my face. So that's that. Looks like it's mascara. Big. You go. Oh, it's Tarte. Okay, I've never had a Tarte mascara before. I only have the Tarte concealer, which I love, so I'm excited to be trying this. That's the only Tarte product I have, so I'm excited to try this and see. Oh no, that's not the. I got a Tarte eyeshadow from my Boxy Charm subscription before as well, and it smells so nice, y'all. It smells so nice and it's so cute. I love it. I love it. It was like a neutral palette. So let's see what it says about the Tarte Big Eagle mascara. Okay, an ultra black vegan y'all, vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours, and it's $23, y'all. Oh, the Glow Head Illuminating Oil, that's $42. This better be good. $42. It better be good, y'all. It best to be good, and this is $23. Totally Tarte. Hashtag totally Tarte. So it's vegan. I have a lot of mascaras, and the one that I like the most right now is my Il Makiage. Okay, I love it. I love it. I love it. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna test this out later, y'all, when I do my makeup for y'all next. The next look I'm gonna do is I don't know if to open this. Is a it's gonna be pretty and pink themed. Okay, lots of pink. It's gonna be cute. Okay. Oh, that's what the one looks like. That's what it's supposed to look like. Twisted double fiber bristles for max pigment load. Lash loving ingredients. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Oh, that's cute. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. That is so pretty, y'all. Big eagle. I don't know. Sorry. This is so pretty though. That's like, that is such a nice color. Okay. That is so cute. I'm excited to use it. I'm excited to use this, y'all. I am really excited. Okay, so this is what the wand looks like. Y'all see that? That's what the wand looks like. I'm excited, y'all. I can't wait. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Oh my gosh, y'all. No, for real, this is the prettiest mascara I've had. That's over here. Next, what's next? It looks like this might be a shadow. Oh no, this looks like these are lashes, y'all. Okay, so I don't really wear lashes, but I've been meaning to buy some. I think I used to have lashes, but I never really learned how to put them on. I'm about to teach myself, y'all. I need some. Does it come with glue too? Cause this looks so nice. Look at that, Lashaholic luxurious lashes. Oh wow, that's so pretty. These are pretty. Instagram. Lashaholic. So that's their Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter handle, and their website. Okay. I'm gonna have to check them out. Okay. Boom. Ready, set, get addicted. I don't even want to take them out. I don't want to mess with them. They should have had glue come with this though. Cause I don't have no glue. I'm gonna have to get some lash glue now. They should have had some glue. Y'all, they should have had some glue come with this. Okay, and got like a little thingy to help lift that out. Like, I can keep these box when these are done and gone. I can keep this box for like other lashes and stuff. I love the box. Seriously, I do. These lashes look nice. I like them. They're not like too dramatic or anything. Y'all see that? I'm not a dramatic person. I don't like things to be too dramatic. And these look perfect. Like, not too natural looking, but they like pow, I'm here, but not like pow, pow, I'm here. Okay? Pow, pow. Alright, so those are pretty. That's pretty. So far, I'm happy with this box. Okay, what is this? This is glitter brightening peel off mask. Okay, it's a peel off mask. I'm not really a huge fan of peel off masks. I never really noticed a difference with them. So we'll see. This is Barbie and looks like it's pretty. Every girl boss deserves a pamper session. And this brightening peel off mask helps deep clean pores, exfoliate away dead skin, and deliver immediate radiance for a healthy look and glow that lasts. That's what it says. That's what it says. And we're gonna see what it do, but that's what it says. Okay? And let's read what this says. This says, created in celebration of the 60th anniversary of Barbie, this mask is packed with licorice extract, skin nourishing green tea, vitamin B, ginseng, and 26 botanicals to help brighten the skin's appearance without unwanted irritation for a visibly renewed complexion. The non-plastic glitter formula helps deliver immediate radiance for a healthy look and glow that lasts. And it is retailed at $26. Okay, $26 for this time too. Let's go ahead and open it and see what it do. Oh, I just want to see what color. Oh, it's pink, definitely. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's pink, and is it going to be glittery too? I'm gonna put a little bit of my hand, y'all. For y'all, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I think I'm gonna love this peel off mask though, for real, because it's pink and glittery. I'm not even a huge fan like that, but lately I've been loving pink. I just love it. So let's see. We're gonna leave that on my skin. That is nice and shiny and cute. Ooh. I think that's the last thing. I wish it came with 6 things. But I'm having fun like opening this. And it's like for real. Becca Hydro Mist. Huh. Okay, so what's this Becca Hydro Mist? Hydro Mist and refreshing powder. This light This weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth, invisible finish formulated with 50% water and glycerin. This powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. Okay, so let's open this. How are we supposed to open this? We're gonna open it like this. Come on, Becca, come through my nail. Okay, come through with the come through. Ooh, some lotion on my hands. Am I out here with ashy ass hands? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm out here with some ashy hands. Oh no, no, no. I'm gonna have to redo this hand later. I'm gonna have to take that off and just redo it. I see I'm gonna come on here with no nail polish on this one because I did this one earlier and it dried. It takes like 20 years to dry. Okay, got it. Boom, pow. Got it. Boom, pow. Okay, I got it. Okay, I got it. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, it's nice and shiny. Oh, look at that. It's nice and shiny. It says Becca, come through with the come through. So, Becca. What you say, Becca? What you say? Hydra Mist and Set and Reform Powder. Okay. This is nice. This might be my new favorite setting powder. I don't know. I'm gonna try it out and see. Keep me close to keep me cool. Cool. Bet. I'm gonna keep it close. Cool. Okay. Do I like... How do I open this? Oh, it's right here. Did it. Y'all, I'm gonna use these later when I do my makeup. I do my pretty look. I'm trying to see if I'm gonna. I need to get some. I'm gonna be able to wear those because I don't have no lash glue. My sister don't have it either. So sad. Get some lash glue. Like seriously, doesn't give people lashes. They should send some lash glue. That's just my opinion. Okay. That flew. Okay. Let's see if it smells. I smell nail polish because I got nail polish in this hand. Okay, so I don't really have like a. But this looks like it might be cute. So I'm excited to try this, y'all. I'm real excited. Go ahead. Tonight though, I might go ahead and use oh shoot, no, it dropped. And try this tonight. Oh, that dried fast. Oh, that dries really fast. I have to wash that off later. But it dries fast. Okay, so recap of what we got here. Oh, let me tell you how much the lashes cost. Did I already say that? Lashes are $15, $14.99. Do y'all see? Can y'all see that? $14.99. Okay, and the Becca Hydro Palette is $39. So those are my 5 products this month. I'm actually really excited about this month. Not gonna lie, I loved all the other months as well, but this was so cute. This was so freaking cute. Excuse my French. Okay, I'm gonna put these back in the box. Alright y'all, so that's my Boxy Charm unboxing. It's so cute. I'll do that real quick. And I'm excited to use it. Like this mascara. I kind of just want to go put it on. If y'all want me to do another Boxy Charm unboxing next month, what's next month? September? Yeah. So September, let me know. I might try to do, I was supposed to have it. I'm gonna get Ipsy Glam Bag Plus again too. And do some unboxings if y'all want that. I love their subscription. And their glam, their glam bag is really nice too. Just, you know. I got this for, how much did I pay for this? $21? 21? I think it's $21 a month, but I'm gonna double check and leave that in the description below. Thanks for watching and look forward to my next video. Me doing my sister's makeup and also my pretty in pink. And I also gonna have a video of my little niece doing my makeup. So please look forward to that. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think and come back. Let me know what other video ideas y'all have that y'all think I should do. Okay? Annyeong. Bye bye.